Okay, can you just tell us about TIA's involvement with this event?
TIA is a sponsor to the Youth Start conference because we see it as a very important event to give further access to funding for our investments and all our delegates that's on our entrepreneurship training programs. So this is a natural outflow for us from the one program, our entrepreneurial program, into the next stage where we can offer them contacts, networks to get further funding. And with the Youth Start, what better can we ask than to have European investors listening to the pitches of our entrepreneurs.
Okay. Were you involved with last year's event?
Yes, I was involved, and I'm actually very happy with the quality of this year's delegates that's going to pitch, and happy to say that I've got two of my entrepreneurs that was on my programs that will also be pitching and hopefully winning.
Okay. And what about Cape Town? It seems to be quite a hub of entrepreneurship and innovation.
Of course, Cape Town is the hub for entrepreneurship and innovation. This is where everything is happening. With the design capital this year being Cape Town, this is the ideal place to host this type of event and showcase what Cape Town can do, and that Cape Town can be the portal into Africa.
Okay. And just as a general statement, how important is innovation to South Africa and its economy?
Sure, where does one begin to answer that type of question, because it's so broad. Because innovation is not only technology innovation, it's also design innovation. It's bettering of systems. So it is everything that you use daily. You will see innovation, and innovation will better the quality of life and will give us better access to everything that we need to better South Africa.
Okay. So this is a long question, I'm still figuring it out, but there's quite a few innovations that have been coming out in other countries in Africa that are very that deal with the masses more, that work off simple feature phones instead of high-end iPhones and so forth. How important do you think that type of innovation is here?
It's definitely important, but the more simple innovations, if you can call it that, actually fed off more intricate innovations, or the other way around. So the one cannot exist without the other one. And being in Africa, things can happen so much quicker if some of the things are a bit simpler on some of the mobile, for instance, the mobile apps. So that will then spread like wildfire and make the whole society so much better, because there are things that's more accessible.
Okay, so yeah, what sectors are the ones that seem to be working well?
TIA is currently investing in mining industry, advanced manufacturing, ICT, energy, and then biotech, which would be agriculture, health, and industrial biotech.